Hello. Today we are making a nice trail effect that looks cool. Let's start. We will use the cube for today's tutorial. I will reshape the cube into a long rectangle. This will be the main part for our trail effect. I will add a rotation animation node and set some values. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Now we add the trail node and give the trail some color. Next we add the move node to activate the trail. Looking great so far. Now if we disconnect the cube object, it will look much better. You can experiment with this however you want. Add more nodes and create awesome effects. There really is no limit to this, so go ahead and create some awesome trails. Till next time, have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!